What if I told you that AI could help you study faster, get better grades, and even write your assignments, all without cheating? Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you how, step by step, using free AI tools that every student should know in 2025. Let ES unlock your smarter way to study. Welcome to EduAIverse, your trusted space for practical AI and tech insights. In this video, we're diving into how students, whether in high school, college, or online learning, can use AI to boost productivity, learn more effectively, and manage time like a pro. Tool 1. Notion AI, your AI-powered study organizer. Automatically summarize lecture notes, create to-do lists with reminders, use Ask AI to explain difficult topics in simple terms. Example, explain quantum mechanics like IM12. It breaks it down with easy metaphors. Tool 2, ChatGPT, your personal AI tutor. Get explanations, quiz practice, essay feedback. Use it to generate study questions based on notes. Pro tip, upload your class notes and ask, can you create a quiz with answers from these? Tool 3, YouTube plus Eightify. Use the Chrome extension Eightify to summarize long YouTube lectures. Jump straight to the points that matter most. Example, 2-hour economics lecture, 5-minute summary with time-stamped key points. Tool 4, Perplexity AI, smarter than Google for research. Academic-focused, with cited sources, ask real-time questions and get results from journals, Reddit, or Webby. Use it to research topics for papers with confidence and less fluff. Tool 5. Grammarly plus Quillbot. Writing assistance. Grammarly helps polish grammar and tone. Quillbot rephrases your text for clarity and variation. Pro tip, paste your draft into Quillbot for paraphrasing, then into Grammarly for final polish. Tool 6. Speechify. Listen while you learn. Converts any text or PDF into natural-sounding audio. Great for auditory learners or multitasking during commutes. Tip, turn your textbook chapters into audiobooks. Tool 7, Trello or Todoist with AI plugin. Time management. Organize subjects, assignments, and deadlines. Use AI to auto-schedule study time based on workload and priorities. Example, auto-plan your week with 2 hours daily focused study slots. You don't need to study harder, you need to study smarter. With AI on your side, you can save time, improve understanding, and reduce stress. These tools are not just futuristic, they're ready to help you today for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your study group, and subscribe to EduAIverse for more student-friendly AI tutorials. Drop a comment telling us your favorite AI tool or how you plan to use it. Let's study smarter together.